We're back. Uncle Demi. Yo, somebody said in my comment section, Mike Wayne, is there anyone who wants to come give me a back rub? Uncle Demi. Something. Yes, I'm coming or something. They said something. Yo, chill. Y'all gotta chill. Y'all be talking shit. Listen, this ain't me talking shit. Like I say, I come biased, balanced. Don't talk no shit. Because when you do that, even if a person wants to say, man, F him or whatever, or call me whatever they want to, it's still, I still leave the truth there, and I'm still in a good space by doing it. You know what I mean? So it's like, hey, I feel like it just gets through better that way, right? The word gets through better that way. But I'm not talking shit. Y'all be talking y'all shit in the comments. I'll be seeing y'all, but I ain't talking my shit. Whatever energy he bring out other people, that's what he bring out of the people. He probably get both sides. He gonna get some people that rock with him, people that's not. So that's just how it is. So I don't really dive in too much of that, you know, but I'll be seeing what people be talking about. Uncle Demi on the screen. That's how you look in this picture. All right, now we done. What's the tallest build? What's the tallest a build should be and still be able to get pro dribble animations? Now, Uncle Demi dropped his poll. One thing I want y'all to know is that 2K, right? Remember, they have changed. I forget what 2K it was. Remember in 20. Oh, yeah. Ha ha. OG, show him the gems, OG. Show them the gems. A lot of people talk that talk. Y'all listen to these. Listen. I love all who's trying to do better and better themselves and get themselves up to a higher state, a higher level. You know what I'm saying? I'm never coming in nobody's way of that. That's the goal for everybody. So you can feel good inside while you're living life. I'm debunking 2K whole thing, and well, all the content creators about don't say anything, don't say nothing. I don't know why everybody sits and says stuff. It's pointless. The game's already made. Let me take y'all back in the future. What game was it? Was it 22? Remember when they had a ball? It was 21. It was 21. Remember? Didn't they change the cap, y'all? Remember when they, to momentum, everybody was like, oh, you had to have this ball handling, but then they changed it. And then everybody had to start making new builds and different stuff because they changed it. I think they made, either they made it lower or higher. Which one they did again? I think they made it lower. What was it? Y'all let me know in the comment section. It was 21. So never ever think that they can't change something. They can. It's like certain key choices. It's just like when you got 8 people at the round table and somebody got slammed the hammer on the decision. They ain't doing it that way, but it's a group of people making that decision at the end of the day.
Only gave me big.
This is Steezo dribbling on the taco build. My team. So if there's builds in the game, doesn't matter if it's my team. We know that we can't do this in the park, but it shows that, hey, there's some setting or some hardware in the computer system that allows them to say, hey, well, in my team, you can have these dribble animations with this build. So it's in the game. It's changeable at any time. Why? Let's go back, OG. 21. 2K21, they made that change. It was like, I forget what patch it was. But people that's really into 2K gonna hear what I'm saying. Like, oh yeah, he on it. He on facts. He's on it. Then now, we come back to Uncle Demi. Now Uncle Demi just released. This is why I say sometimes you gotta watch what you say, cause OG's gonna come from a biased standpoint. I'm not gonna attack you or come crazy, but I'm gonna pick up on it. Like, oh, you just said the other day that you have close contact and talk to the devs. You're a next maker. You get to go there early. You're actually in the classified position because remember they wrote this event out a little bit different, y'all. Last year, they let people come out, Joe Knowles and people, and and they let them play the game early, and then they was releasing gameplay and stuff, and early build videos and stuff like that. Now, they doing it different this year. Why? I feel like maybe it's the Kobe year. They want to have more secrecy and roll it out a different way. They wanted to do this one where they roll it out a little bit more, not just had the creators. 2, I believe that they may have a demo coming. The 24th, GameStop leaked it and showed 2K's release date 24th, even though that could have been a mistake, but it could be some little, who knows. I feel like they may have a demo coming though. Something tells me demo, or maybe they just host another community day event and people actually do go this time and they do the same thing again and let YouTubers release their builds early. Maybe. But I think they already had this event and they already had this. I think they already did that already. It looked like they had him playing on a rec court. That could have been a beta rec court. That could have been a beta model rec court. They had it blurry because but then what makes it like, how? Because they had the jerseys. We're going to get deeper into that. I ain't going to talk about it right now. 6'11", 6'10", 6'9". He's already throwing the gems in our face. Pro dribbles, not elite dribbles. There's a difference. So he's explaining that there's a difference between pro dribbles and elite dribble moves. The game is going back to balance. Ha, ha, ha. I'm happy because I just like that I got the brain and the analyzation skills to be able to study, observe this, and understand, okay, yeah, it's going that way. It's going that way. I'm trying to use this brain observation skills in other areas too, other different areas too, so I could excel a little bit more too. But we're back. See, pro dribble moves could be 6'9". Put it on in her tap. This guy, the guy who reports the news, he said, what did he say? He said 6'9" builds. What did he say? Dribble animations will be broken down into categories: pro dribble moves, elite dribble moves, etc. Builds 6'9" and taller won't be able to equip elite dribble moves. Not sure yet. Yep, he already knew it. He's on point. Yep. Oh yes, I'm happy because they're gonna give us KD. This is what I said, and I had to sit back. I said, "Damn, I'm gonna show y'all my KD build this year too." And I'm going to show you how I've been playing within that realm. Right? Now, certain moves, they're going to, since we're in the Jester year, we got Jesters now. Remember, they're going to have it where Kevin Durant sig, this sig. Certain builds will be able to have it depending on your stats and attribute ratings. Yes, you will be able to make a build like a 6'9" point forward. They're going back to that lane. That's how simple I can make it without confusing your minds too much. Just think of how your point forward stats used to be. How your point forward stats used to look. A little bit, it could be a little bit higher because remember, I said they can make an 85 3 ball not matter that much. An 85 may not be that strong. It looks like a good number, 85. That's like a B plus, you know what I mean? And you can still probably hit with it too, but they're gonna make the 90s matter more than 99, the 95s, the 99s. I feel like they're getting back to that point of going that route instead and tweaking and touching with that. How it used to be. Yes. Thank you. I'm nasty with the pro animations on that. I want the separation. A 6'9" should not be having the same animations as APG. And in this game, dribbling and standstill dribbling in between the legs wasn't the thing this year. That was nothing. It was literally Steve Francis. That's not really dribbling if we call. That's really not. It really was the main key thing that people need to stop flexing about and stop capping and trying to say other things this year like OG no. Come on, it was the speeding to the left, to the right. That was really the main movement this year, and every build could do it. You want to know why? Because everybody understood that as a collective whole, as a collective conscious. Everybody understood that. I was like, damn, I need the Michael Jordan speed boost. Say I'm lying. That's what. It came to a point where I had to even think that, like, damn, that's the move, like, people use, but I'm like, I ain't making no new builds. I'm playing how I'm playing. Most people change their builds when they realize they ain't have the speed with ball. Damn, I need that speed with ball so I can get the Michael Jordan. Say I'm lying. And you could get it on a 6'9". Come on now. Could you get it on a 6'10" too? I believe so, because You could, I'm not sure. I believe I've seen somebody with a 6'10 build doing it, I believe. Because they get the unpluckable, the first quick step Hall of Fame unpluckable. I believe. I could be wrong, but I believe. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. My 6'10 Kevin Durant mixtape I'm about to drop, no speed boosting, so it's about to be fire. But it's combos. Yeah, I'm moving in it. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Yes. So 6'9 builds, right? I think they will probably drop it at 6'9. They'll probably have some pro moves at 6'10, but they're gonna balance it. I feel like he's doing this poll, and he can also show the devs this as well. He knows he has a lot of the community watching him. He can also show the devs this as well, and they can make changes and tunes to this. This is why I brought this to y'all attention. This is why I showed y'all the mod team. They could always say, you know what? Okay, the community likes this right before the date comes out. And they could already have their standard to what they got, but right before, they're still making changes. He still said his hard work still... Remember, he recently dropped this. I want y'all to know this. Like, please understand. They already got a base model of the game. So they can still do little last-minute touch-ups. It just depends on what area they're doing those touch-ups. Remember, it matters. Look at this. Still hard at work on 2K24. Boom. That's all you need to know. He's still hard at work on it. He's still going hard. But he wanted to show that, hey, this quick drop dunk, gone. And this dunk animation could still be in the game. People need to understand the ability, the abuse of it is gone. Stop trying to play the delusional loopity games. Let's just be real. Y'all seen it. Y'all know this dunk got pulled off 90. If there was like 2K could show a stat chart of what type of plays scored the most, yo, you would see this like with probably like 25 billion. It'd be at the top. This dunk animation, if it could show how players scored this year, they had some type of computer system. Stop playing with OG. We go into that way. We get into that technology every time anyway. So come on, y'all playing games with me. Stop playing games with me. Y'all better get hip, subscribe, and drop the likes and just get hip early. Be a part of the circle. Yes. Y'all don't understand this game. To me, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This game is about to be fun. I don't care if a guard build found some cheat. They're going back to their natural balance state. You know, we told them they should touch certain stuff up in certain times. Like, yes, yo, this just could mean PG's not gonna be able to do those quick drop dunks. They're gonna have to get their layups in. They're gonna have to be a real PG. They never made PGs feel like that. Well, they did, because PG was just drive to the older 2Ks. They'll just drive in the paint, wait for you to jump, and just put it up. That was that bucket, the cheese bucket people would take. So they see. And he gave us the list of the builds. So we know that, okay, you could have a 6'7". That's all they got to do. Just go back down. The 6'9s, the 6'10s was crazy this year. They even had 6'11s too. It all was crazy this year. Go down. You can give these builds dribble moves to dribble. You can get my 6'10". Just go down. You can give me the Kevin Durant move and crossover. That ain't nothing. It's certain things that's good in it. But I see they gonna do it like that. I can see it. He already said it, and I'm going to touch up on that video too. He already said that it's going to be more of an open free builder. I haven't react to it yet, but this is what I'm just hearing around in the streets. We're going to still get certain moves. They're just simpler words. A patch. That's it. All these builds, 6'11 got patched, 6'10 got patched, 6'9 got patched. Does a patch mean that you're going to be trash? You won't be able to compete with the builds next year? No, it doesn't. It just means you're not doing the same thing as a PG, which those builds was this year. See, it's that simple. Y'all hit that like, subscribe. Pro plays are already into effect, changing up the dribble moves and yes, no more of these bigger builds being able to get elite moves. And elite moves was basically like certain, you know, they broke it down in NBA categorized. It wasn't like that, but yes, the category is coming back. The separation is coming back. That's just how simple it is. It's beautiful. It's a what of a time to play 2K24. Hit that like, subscribe. We got more coming soon. I'm on a streak, upload streak. Hashtag IRL in the comment section. I'm not even responding to people that If you day ones and stuff, yeah. But I'm not responding to people that ain't putting the hashtag then IRL in the comment. That's it. Just hashtag IRL. That's it. Just IRL. That's it. Hit that like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.